Welcome boys. In this video we're going to be replacing the camshaft position sensor in our 2005 Dodge Neon. This is Katie's car with 306,000 miles on it. She complained it was malfunctioning the other day, running rough, and then that it stalled on her and would not restart. So we checked the codes. We do have one code: camshaft position sensor A, circuit bank 1 or single sensor. I believe this is going to be the same code I had on my Dodge Dakota when I replaced its cam sensor. So I have not replaced it on this Neon yet, so I'm not sure if it's the exact same part number or not. But now that we have our diagnosis, we have the diagnostic code. Sorry boys, it's below freezing out. I just woke up. And I'm ill, in case you can't tell. So let's get this, let's start this repair here. Alright, now Katie's claimed she's replaced this multiple times before. I have not. We know the camshaft is on the top of the engine. I've replaced the head gasket on this, and I don't recall seeing it on this side, but she's claimed that you have to remove the battery to get to it, so that's what we're going to do. We have two 10mm for the positive and negative terminal, so we're going to loosen those, pull this off. This should give us better access in here, and we can see exactly where that sensor is. So it should be down in this area here, since that's where the camshaft is. Pull the terminals off. On the back side of the batteries, there's a tie down. It takes a 13mm. So you just got to loosen that. And then once that comes off, we'll be able to yank the battery out. And it seems Katie was right. I'll let the battery out of the way. That's going to be the sensor, so it is not the same as my Dakota. It's in the exact same part number. Looks like there's 4 bolts that hold it on, I think. So we'll get those off and get that sensor out. Make sure the O-ring's on it. You need an O-ring because you can see I've already sprayed this white mist and it keeps leaking oil out of the bottom of the cam. So if you want oil everywhere, get that done. Alright boys, and after that fucking monster of an assignment, wasn't too terribly difficult, but that bottom left one, you're going to need a wobble extension. And ditto for that top right one. You have to go between the lines. Bottom one, you just need a long extension. You can reach it from the tray here. And then the top one, you can reach with a very short 8mm, and then the ratchet itself. Alright, now it's back on. I'm going to plug in all the plumbing, put the battery back in, and start it and see if it starts. Okay, boys. The venting for the valve covers is back attached. Battery's back attached. So we won't need to clear the codes because battery being disconnected would have cleared them. So we're going to start it, see if it starts. It may run funny or it may start and stall the first time because all the parameters have been reset. Oh, unfortunately it lives to die another day. Well, one day it'll explode and I'll never have to work on it again. Unfortunately that day is not today, so I hope this helps. Catch you boys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.